Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge, and I'm going to show you this Dodge Grand Caravan. Here is the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in brilliant black. So it comes with 17-inch blacked out aluminum wheels. It has a remote start engine and keyless entry, and we'll go take a look under the hood. Under the hood, it has a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar VVT engine, powering a 6-speed automatic transmission. Moving down this Grand Caravan, it comes with touring suspension. It also has power doors on either side. So if you hit the button on the remote twice, they'll open. Another way that they can open is simply by pulling on the door handle once, and they'll open the rest of the way for you. And a third way is there are buttons inside to press. So again, hit the button on the remote twice, hit that button there, or simply again, pull on the handle once. Making our way to the back, it does come prepped and ready with a receiving hitch and wiring. There also is a backup camera with rear park assist and rear parking sensors. So these sensors are located right along the bottom there. It has a power lift gate, so if you hit the button on the remote twice, it will open nicely for you. There is lots of room in the back, even with that third row up. And I'll show you just how easy it is to use the third row stow and go system. So you just follow the numbers on the pulls here. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And it's nicely down for you. So again, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And just like that, that is what it looks like with the third row down. This GT also comes equipped with blind spot and cross path detection warning. And we'll go take a look at the features inside. Inside this Grand Caravan, it does come equipped with Bluetooth. So you have your Bluetooth command buttons right here, the buttons that control what you see on the dash, as well as the cruise controls. It has a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, fully equipped with Sirius XM. It also has navigation and a backup camera, which will automatically appear when the van is in reverse. It does have that rear park assist, so those lines will nicely guide you into any stall, letting you know if you're getting too close to any vehicle or object. Moving down, you have your AC and heat control functions for the front and the rear. It also has front heated seats with 2 preset temperature settings and a heated steering wheel. There's lots of storage throughout as well, so you got room there, right there, as well as another one here, and underneath as well. It has leather seats. Again, these front seats are heated. And right in the center here is where you'll have the controls for the power liftgate, the power doors, as well as if you push this down, you do get a mirror where you can spy on your passengers. And we'll go take a look in the back seat. In the back, those leather seats do continue. So you have your second row bucket seats leading to your third row bench seating. In the back, it comes with its own rear AC and heat control functions, as well as a rear DVD entertainment system. So it does have that third and second row stow and go seating, with the second row stow and go located right there. So you just fold that forward and fold the seats into it, and it will fit nicely. Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this GT, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.